So this app is called Every Proxy. This is where when you want to hotspot something using um, your Android phone, your iOS or your PC while connected on a VPN, you usually use a proxy server. So this is Every Proxy. If you want to hotspot another phone or you want to hotspot your laptop or your PC or your computer, you will have to download this application. And once you've downloaded, we have three categories here: HTTP proxy, SOCKS proxy, and PAC server. So the first one is SOCKS proxy. These are two working proxies where you can use it to tunnel data to the other device. So the first one is the HTTP proxy. The first thing you do when you want to open this, you will have to click this. So you can see the address is not available. The second one, the address also not available. So the first thing you'll have to click this edit button. So when you click that edit button, you click there to see which addresses are available. For this, you can see we have 10.106.20.15. So then you select port which I usually use is 8088. You can use port 80, port 8080, and so forth. So for me, I'm going to that. So then you make sure the power save is on. Then you click on save. So you can see when you now open there, it will open. Before you hotspot the other device, let's say the laptop or the computer, you'll have to make sure that you edit here. Then you make sure you copy this IP address. You can see this IP address, it's here, because you will be entering this IP address on the other end in the proxy server. Then we have port 8088. So you'll have to remember this very great item that you will be using on the other device. So when you're done, click on save. Then you open this one. So when you click this one, you copy this IP address and the port. Then you click on the Wi-Fi. With this Wi-Fi for this Android phone. Then you connect. Then you go to advanced settings. Then go to proxy. Change from manual to proxy server. Then you IP address, insert this. Then port, you insert that 8080 or 888. Then you save. So in your PC, you will have to click on settings. Then in settings, click on network settings. You will see proxy down there. Then you click on proxy. Then turn on proxy. Then the IP address, insert this. Then port 8088 or 80, whichever you've used. Then you click on save. So when you are done, you click on this to make sure that your proxy is open. Then make sure the hotspot is also open. Then you get connected. You will prove me, or if you've not understood, we have another video I had made practically on how to do this using Android hotspot. Then I hotspotted the other device, which was PC. So it's very simple. If you want me to make more video on this, let me know in the comment section. So this is Every Proxy. It's very simple to be used. Then we also have SOCKS proxy. It works the same way. Then we have PSC server. It works the same way. So that is it for today, and see you in my next video.